Hey there! Have you ever noticed how all the reviews for water flossers or oral irrigators only show the positive sides, and hide the shortcomings? Today, I'm going to give you an honest review of the AGARO portable water flosser I purchased from Amazon after a lot of research. The AGARO portable water flosser is a portable, rechargeable device with 4 modes and a 300 ml tank. After using it for 2.5 months, I can say it's an economical option and maybe the most sold on Amazon India. However, it definitely has some shortcomings. To understand the limitations, let us first understand the types of water flossers. 1. Portable. 2. Tabletop style. Now the one in discussion is the portable device and hence its limitations. Firstly, if you want to clean your lower jaw and hold it upside down, the device stops working. This is because of a simple reason: when you hold the device upside down, the water flows down and the pipe inside the tank is not able to suck water and hence stops working. I will tell you the solution later in the video. Secondly, though there are 4 modes or pressure settings, however, the pressure under the normal setting is very high, leading to bleeding gums. So, what's the solution? If you're someone who doesn't travel a lot, I recommend buying a tabletop oral irrigator with a tank and an external pipe for the nozzle. This will ensure that the flosser works in all directions. In fact, if you have been to a dentist, you will notice that they also use oral irrigators with long pipes. For the second problem, I realized after bleeding gums that the normal pressure setting is actually high and you should start with custom setting. It is the lowest. In conclusion, the AGARO portable water flosser is an economical and portable option, but it has some shortcomings. If you can afford space on your bathroom counter, I recommend buying a tabletop oral irrigator. Let me know in the comments if this review helped you decide. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such reviews.